Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. This is a new video session of SSCA Children's Academy for grade 4. I am Ms. Alhumdulillah and today I am going to take your English language class. So let's move towards our today's class. Before we begin our class, make sure you have your Junior English 4, your activity book, your English language copy and your stationery. As you all know, this is lecture number 2 and in lecture number 2 I am going to teach you verb. What is verb? A verb is an action word. It is something you can do. That means वो words जो हमें किसी भी action यानी काम का बताएं वो verb कहलाते हैं. There are many verbs which you can see like juggle, rap, kick, jump, eat, stand, sit, run, and there are many verbs which you can't see like think, love, hate, smell, feel, sound. Okay students, now think of the many actions you perform during the day. अब आप उन एक्शंस के बारे में सोचिए जो आप थ्रू आउट द डे जो आप पूरे दिन में परफॉर्म करते हैं. लाइक यू वेक, आप उठते हैं. यू वॉश योर फेस, अपना फेस वॉश करते हैं. यू ड्रेस एंड ब्रश योर हेयर, आप कपड़े पहनते हैं, अपने हेयर ब्रश करते हैं. यू ईट योर ब्रेकफास्ट, आप अपना ब्रेकफास्ट ईट करते हैं. एंड देन यू वॉक और राइड टू स्कूल, या तो वॉक करके या किसी बस में या बाइक पे आप स्कूल जाते हैं. वेयर यू लर्न टू रीड गुड इंग्लिश एंड टू ड्रॉ, जहाँ आप इंग्लिश पढ़ना और ड्रॉ करना सीखते हैं. In fact, students, you cannot think of any time of day when you are not doing something. आप पूरे दिन में कोई भी ऐसा टाइम नहीं सोच सकते कि जब आप कोई एक्शन परफॉर्म ना कर रहे हों. When you are tired, जब आप थके हुए होते हैं, you rest, आप आराम करते हैं. Even when you sleep, जब आप सो रहे होते हैं, you breathe, आप सांस ले रहे होते हैं. And perhaps, और शायद आप कोई ड्रीम देख रहे हो और कुछ लोग स्नोर भी करते हैं यानी खर्राटे भी लेते हैं. So, there is no time of the day कि जब हम कोई काम ना कर रहे हों. All the words like wake, wash, dress, brush, eat, walk, ride, learn, read, draw, rest, sleep, breathe, dream, and snore are action words. Okay students, now let's move towards our classwork. And for classwork, you have to open your Junior English 4. So, open page number 2 of Junior English 4. You have to do exercise A of page number 2 in your English language copy. Let me read and explain the exercise, then you will have to do this exercise in your English language copy. Make a list of the verbs in these sentences. यहाँ पे आपको 6 sentences दिए हुए हैं और आपको each sentence में verb ढूंढना है यानी action ढूंढना है जो इसमें हमें दिया गया है. How to do this work in your copy? आप ये काम अपनी कॉपी में कैसे करेंगे? Open the new page. Then left corner पे आप date mention करेंगे. In center आपको exercise mention करनी है with page number. Don't forget to mention the exercise and page number in your copy. And then on the right corner you will write C.W. That means classwork. Then you have to copy down the question, which is make a list of verbs in these sentences with the blue color. Then write down the question number 1, which is fish breathe through their gills. That means fish अपनी gills के through सांस लेती हैं. Breathe means सांस लेना. तो आपको ये बताना है कि इस सेंटेंस में वर्ब क्या है. And the answer is breathe. अगर आप सब ने भी breathe ही सोचा था, that means you're right. Fish जो एक्शन परफॉर्म कर रही हैं, that is breathe. So breathe is the verb. After that, you will write question number 2. Many animals hibernate during the winter. Hibernate means सोते रहना. बहुत सारे एनिमल्स विंटर में सोते रहते हैं. So, what is the verb in this sentence? It's hibernate. जो एक्शंस एनिमल्स परफॉर्म करते हैं वो क्या है? Hibernate. Then write down question number 3. Some of them wake and search for food on mild days. कुछ एनिमल्स जागते हैं और सर्च यानी ढूंढते हैं खाना ऑन माइल्ड डेज, मतलब जब दिन थोड़े से गर्म होते हैं, जब मौसम थोड़ा सा गर्म होता है. सो व्हाट आर द वर्ब्स इन दिस सेंटेंस? In this sentence, we have 2 verbs. Number 1, wake, and number 2, search. Okay, students, I hope you understand the pattern, that how to do the work in copy. So, I'm not going to write question number 4 here, but you will write it in your copy. आप अपनी copy में question number 4 इसी तरीके से copy करेंगे जिस तरीके से आपने question 1, 2 and 3 किया है. Let's discuss question number 4. After digging the garden, Dad raked it well. Digging means खुदाई करना and rake means जमा करना. बहुत सारी घास को जो हम जमा करते हैं उसे हम rake कहते हैं. So you have to find the verbs in this sentence. After digging the garden, Dad raked it well. So the answer is digging and raked. Follow the same pattern as we have done question number 1, 2 and 3. You have to write down the question and then you have to write the answer of question number 4. After that, you will write question number 5, which is Brazil produces and exports vast quantities of coffee. Produce means पैदा करना and export means किसी दूसरी country को sale करना and vast means बहुत बड़ी तादाद में. So, the meaning of this question is Brazil huge quantity में coffee produce करता है and export करता है. So, you have to find out कौन से 2 actions Brazil perform कर रहा है in this sentence. Let's see how many of you are right. Number 1, produces, and number 2, exports. These are the 2 verbs in this sentence. After writing down the question number 5 and its answer, you will write down question number 6 in your copy. The ship struck an iceberg and sank. Struck means टकरा जाना या लगना. Iceberg means बर्फ की चट्टान and sank means डूब जाना. So, that means ship बर्फ की चट्टान से यानी आइसबर्ग से टकराई और डूब गई. So what are the verbs in this sentence? So the answer is struck यानी टकराना and sank यानी डूबना. Write down these answers in your copy. Okay students, we are done with our classwork. Now it's time for your home task, and in your home task you have to read and understand page number 9 of your activity book. There are many verbs on page number 9. You have to read and understand them And then you have to do activity number 1 and activity number 2 on page 10 in your activity book. Activity book का काम आप activity book में ही करेंगे. You have to write the date on both the pages. Let me explain activity number 1 for you. In activity number 1, you have to read the paragraph and circle all the verbs. आपको इस पैराग्राफ को रीड करना है और इसमें सारे वर्ब्स को यानी जितने भी एक्शन वर्ड्स आपको इसमें नज़र आएंगे आपको उन्हें सर्कल करना है. Let me read the paragraph for you. Sarah participates well in class. While she dislikes middle school, she truly enjoys high school. Sarah's favorite thing about high school is the lunch. She loves noodles. Her friend Ruby is running cross the country for GMC and she has practiced every day with the team for a few weeks now. Sarah is not a fan of running, but she likes to exercise. Maybe Sarah will go to tryouts for golf if her mom approves. So read this paragraph by yourself again and circle all the verbs. Now in activity number 2, write a paragraph on a picnic by using different verbs given on page number 9. पेज नंबर 9 पे आपको बहुत सारे वर्ब्स दिए हुए हैं. आपको एक पैराग्राफ लिखना है ऑन अ पिकनिक. अ पिकनिक पर जिसमें आप पेज नंबर 9 पर दिए हुए वर्ब्स को यूज़ करेंगे. I hope you understand the home task. Make sure that you have completed this work before the next lecture. There is another thing I want to mention, and that is your homework must be done by yourself only. Alright, it's time to say goodbye. I will see you in the next class. Till then, keep watching and keep learning. Allah Hafiz to all of you.